Hello boys and girls, welcome to our second episode of Kids Gardening Quest. My name is Uncle Papaya. Now if you love to paint, you're gonna love this episode of Paint Your Plant Pot Pail. Now what we're gonna do today, we're gonna take a terracotta pot and make it fun and pretty, shall we? Hey, to paint your plant pot pail, this is the materials you will need. Acrylic paint, brushes, terracotta pot, and a container of water. And of course, leaf cuttings for imprint on your pot, or perhaps even a raw cut potato. I'm drawing very simple plant flower patterns. I'm gonna make it colorful. Okay boys and girls, so there you have it. My plant pot pail design. You can have your own design, whatever pattern you like on your own pot. Most important thing is just have fun and let your creativity shine. And here is one that looks like a monster. Okay, so if you enjoy painting on pots, come and join us on our swirly monster painting workshop, which is happening on the 22nd June. So be there. Okay, boys and girls, come to the end of our episode Paint the Plant Pot Pail. Now do remember to download these fun worksheets. Submit, when you've completed, submit them by tagging us on our Instagram. Hey, giveaway time. Hey, you stand a chance to win this attractive herb gardening kit. Okay kids, remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for the next episode, episode 3, how to keep your plants happy.